Hi, Pops.
Ready?
Yeah. Hi, Pops.
Hey! All right, Gunner here. Let me show you two things. Rolling resistance versus sliding resistance. First, I'll show you sliding resistance. Look at that. Now, watch rolling resistance. I'd probably stop because that's gonna go forever. So, here's why I'm showing you this. Because Ibexx turns the adapt clutch into a full roller clutch. So when this sheave moves, instead of sliding on this, it rolls. And as you can see, that thing goes 12 times as far. Look at that.
What's that do for the actual clutching?
Well, it works on any clutch kit, and it makes everything so that there's not as much friction. And that's the idea, is to reduce friction. So it makes the clutching a heck of a lot easier to move. Hey, be quiet over there. Check it out.